we're going to be learning another slip jig, which works well after Nanalachen, which is the last one we learned. It might even be a little bit easier than the last one we learned. So this tune is called The Dusty Miller. Now, a dusty miller is not a grain grinder who needs a bath. The dusty miller is a kind of plant that grows in your garden. Well, it might not grow in your garden, but it grows in some gardens. Okay, here's the tune. Now, what you may notice about that tune is it's probably a bit easier because there's no ornamentation other than cutting a few times on the G, which is pretty easy. But the hard part is that on the second half of the tune, it goes up into the higher octave, and it's a lot harder up there to get a clear tone and to blow the right amount. Now remember, blowing in the second octave does not mean blowing harder. It just means changing the stream of air that you're putting into the whistle. All right? Also, remember to tongue your notes. Keep a loose grip on your whistle. And we tongue notes at the beginning of a phrase. Like after you take a breath, pretty much, you need to tongue your note. Or even if you stop, your breath stops for a second and there's a gap, you need to tongue the next note so then you're not coming in an uncertain sounding way.